Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. Wishing everyone a wonderful morning. In regards to our weekly trading video, we're going to be taking you through that today. My name's Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm going to be taking you through just a couple of the trades that sort of triggered in this week and the outcomes of those trades, and just to give you an idea about when the trades were provided, sort of when they sort of triggered in, and the results of what occurred. So just before I do that, I'm going to take you to the Platinum Analysis, which is actually where we provide all of our trades, which is the sort of technical trading opportunity area, as well as fundamental analysis as well. What we also specialise in doing is one-to-one mentoring, so that's to effectively teach you exactly how to do the analysis yourself, so you're not dependent upon anybody else, but we also provide you with analysis so you can learn at the same time, as sort of earn at the same time as you're learning. So if we go to the Platinum Analysis, just coming on through here, we had one a little bit of a longer term swing trade trigger in, and a couple of short term trades trigger in. Okay, the longer term swing trade was actually on the dollar yen. It was actually this chart just here. I know you might find that a little bit difficult to see, so let me just zoom in here so you get a bit of a better look. So the chart itself was actually based on a previous breakout level and previous market gap. Obviously we're looking for the gap to fill first before going short, so the gap did fill, and we went short, and we actually took around 50-60 pips out of this trade. The overall target was larger than that, but one rule is with all of our longer term swing trades, as soon as it hits 50 pips profit, we move the stop loss to break even and we take part position out of the trade. So this was one of those occasions where we did that. So we can see 109.70, 40 pip stop, target of 107.60. This was provided on the Monday. So if we go to the dollar yen and we go back here on the Monday, you can see, it was provided at the end of last week and also valid for this week. So we can see it triggered in just here, okay, Monday morning. You can see by the middle of Tuesday, the trade has gone up 56, 57 pips profit. So at that point, we notified our clients via email and via SMS to move their stop losses to break even and to take part position out of the trade to ensure that they would bank 50 pips profit. Okay. So this way you are completely risk-free and you've banked yourself some money, so the worst case scenarios you make a small profit, which is ideal. Yeah. In regards to what happened the next day, you can clearly see why we do this, because the next day the market retraced all the way back up to 110 again. Okay. And even now, sitting today, it's pretty much would have been sitting around entry. So this is the reason we do that, is to ensure that we are completely risk-free on the trade, and from a psychological standpoint, you're happy to leave the trade in them because stops at break even, you've got some money out already, so it's okay if it comes back on you because you've still made something. So that was the longer term swing trade. The short term trade triggered in was actually on the GBP USD. If you've watched any of our videos before, you'll know that we provide these major cap important sell zones, which is based on our algorithmic trading system, which provides buy and sell zones each day. What we do is we actually provide the zones that would be the most, I guess, important or relevant to trade for that day, which we feel would have the best chance of reversal. So, for example, on GBP, we provided one on Wednesday, which is just here at 1.3 thousand on the sell zone. We can see pretty much it went into the zone, and within 30 minutes, it had hit profit. With these short-term trades, we're looking for around 20-25 pips profit usually, sometimes pushing it to 30. So pretty much within that time period, it had hit the profit, and that was absolutely ideal for what we were looking for. Another one like this was on the Aussie dollar, again earlier in the week. That one I believe on the Tuesday. You can see here major cap buy zone. Okay, if we zoom in, let's get a bit of a better look at that. You can see here's the buy zone, and you can see the price going into the buy zone just in here, and easily getting its reversal in the end for its plus 20 pips. And that's the idea of what we're looking for. Yeah, we're looking for this reversal to be nice and easy, in and out, job done, and that's our day trade finished. 20, 25 pips. If you're trading that, even at just a few pounds a pip, that's a considerable amount to be bringing in just for a short-term trade. And if you're trading at something like £5 a pip, it's over £100. Just for that type of trade, it's a very simple procedure to do, especially one as Platinum is providing it for you. Okay, so in total we're looking at banking around 100 pips this week based on the 2 short-term and 1 longer-term trade. So if you're trading that at £5 a point, it's 500 quid. Okay, so we're actually providing the chance for people to get to see this information live on a free consultation call with a trader. And the way to do that is you go to our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. Just pop in your details. You can either do that on the home page here, or you can click on the free consultation button on the top right hand corner, like so. One of our traders will sort of get in touch with you. They'll sit down with you over the phone, so you can do it from the comfort of your own home, and they'll take you through the system, the analysis, or through a screen sharing application, or we can do it via Skype, whichever one's easiest for you. Just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today. We really appreciate the time that you spent watching the video. If you have spent this much time watching the video, it might be an idea just to click like and subscribe, just so you can obviously receive notifications for our videos that we provide each week. Other than that, I wish everyone a wonderful weekend, and we look forward to speaking to you next week. Thank you.